Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be trying some contact lenses that were sent to me by JUST4KIRA. So when I received their email, to be honest, I was a little bit in between. Should I not? And the reason is because I've not worn contact lenses in a long time. When I used to wear it, I do have a little bit of challenges, so I was like, I'll just stick with my glasses. But I decided to pick it up. It's like a challenge to me. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go with this collaboration, and I would really appreciate it if you all can tell me which one is your favorite among the contact lenses that I'll be featuring today.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
But before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do like this video. Thank you all so much for watching. In this video, I am going to be doing the unboxing. I chose to do that so that you all can see how you can prepare, steps that you need to take in order for you to be able to use these contact lenses effectively and harmless to your own natural eyes. I'll be leaving every necessary links that you're going to need to shop for additional percent off. I'll be leaving it in the description box. Also, the links to all the contact lenses that I'll be featuring today, I'm also going to leave those in the description box. Please, ladies, do not forget to check if you're a lover of color contact lenses. And by the way, they do prescription lenses as well. If you wear prescription glasses and you want them to do prescribed contact lens for you, they can also do that for you. They are not all about colored contact lenses. They can also do prescription lenses for you. So like when we open it, you're going to come across a card that is giving you instructions of how to use it, which I really like. Like if you're just a first timer person, that you're just using contact lenses for the first time and you can read, you'll be able to follow these simple steps that they have on the card. At the front of the card, they have thank you for your order and all that good stuff, out you can participate. Very simple, like you post your picture on Instagram, you tag them, then they repost you on their page. All right, then you come across the next page is where you see the instructions. Just like if you're a beginner person into contact lenses, all these instructions they put at the back, as long as you can read, you'll be able to follow these simple instructions, how to put it and also how to remove it. Then in the box I have 4 contact lenses. They come individually. All right, like you have one contact lens in one packet and the other one to your other eye in the other one packet. That's how they came. And I have 4 contact lenses that I'll be featuring today. Also in the box we have the storage units, which they put nicely all together in the box that came. So ladies, before I start the try on of these contact lenses, please don't forget to check in the description box for all the information that you're going to need to lead you to JUST4KIRA. Also in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do before you put your contact lenses on. They recommend that you soak your contact lenses in contact lens solution for at least 8 hours to 12 hours before you use it. So before you start putting on your lenses, I would recommend you wash your hands and make sure they are really clean, well sanitized. Ladies, this is how it looks. This is the blue one, so I'm going to give it a try. Remember, I said I've not tried this in a very long time, so I'm keeping my finger crossed and I'm believing in God to do this. Also, I'm not going to be doing everything on the camera, but I'm going to do this first one, but the rest of it I'll do it off the camera in order not to prolong this video. Product. Before I begin to introduce this product to you, I would like to also share a little history about JUST4KIRA with you all. JUST4KIRA have been in existence for the past 7 years. They've just decided to open up to the global market in order to let their product be seen by the whole world. Kira has different meanings in different languages. which means sun in English, wisdom in Malay, and shining in Japanese. So JUST4KIRA represents best wishes for our customers, and you are confident, fearless, and irreplaceable. Finally. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, let it kind of sink into my eyes and blend with my natural eyes, and I'll be right back. Yes, ladies, it's still same me. I just started to switch that week. I wasn't feeling it, and while I have this Moral Blue on my eyes, it's very crystal clear. It doesn't hurt my natural eyes. I can see very well.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like.
Ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to check in the description box for all the necessary links that you would need to the website of JUST4KIRA. And please do leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Which of the contact lenses that are featured is your favorite? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.